Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. Finally, we can talk about the brand new Honor 8X. Today is the Europe launch. Price will be 250 euros for the 64GB, 4GB RAM version. And this is the exact same price we got 2 years ago when the Honor 6X started. Last year 7X got a price of 300 euros and this was too expensive, and especially this year because the starting price of the Honor Play, which got the Kirin 970 in it, which is a totally other league of performance and power, costs only 330, so they got this price difference, they have to have it. On the other side, we also got the Honor 10, which got also the Kirin 970 and the way better cameras. This is a totally different device, and directly I tell you guys this one, before buying the 8X, make sure you check prices on the Play and on the 10 if those devices are nothing, and maybe a little bit cheaper, but then you will get way better devices. Main downside of the Honor 8X is that it got a microUSB port as in the previous X versions, and I don't know why. Maybe because they want to save money, maybe they want to get USB Type-C ports only for the bigger and better devices. I don't know, but let's start opening the box. This is of course a press sample, and something is new. We got now the AI feature on the box as well. And yes, the Honor 8X camera comes out again with two cameras, one for the depth information. I got here the spec sheet. And talking about the camera, let's see, where's the camera? There, 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel for the depth information. This will be available in 3 different colors, black, blue and red. No one here in Germany has already seen the red version. This is a blue version, 64GB basic model. There's also a 128GB version somewhere, which costs 20 euros more. But let's grab the device. And of course, this has already been opened. This is a press sample. The agency checked it, if everything is okay. And this is the blue color. Nice design. Glass backside, metal frame, glass on front, and the cameras are of course standing out. Now on the side, this is exactly the same design as on the 7X, only a little slightly turned. And yes, it's even a little bit bigger than the 7X, but not even bigger than the Honor Play, which is only 6.3 inch display, and way bigger, this is the thing I wanted to say, than an Honor 10, for example, if you compare those devices close to each other. So make sure, I mean, this is a 6.5 inch screen. We got the screen informations on here. 6.5 inch Full HD Plus resolution, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, and this is, let's give the device a couple of seconds to boot. We'll take out a quick tour around the device. On the right side we got the on and off button, volume down bar and the volume up bar. I can reach on and off and down with my right thumb, yes, with my left index finger, the same. Of course, we got a notch. On top, we got a microphone. On the left side, we got we got a triple SIM slot. This is another nice thing here. This is something I want to punch them for the micro USB port, but I really like them for this triple SIM slot here. We got 2 nano SIM cards and additionally 1 microSD card. This is really, really nice. Under the hood, we got a 3750 megapixel, 3700. No, don't talk with me. Please stop it. Talk. So, okay. Under the hood, we got the 3750 milliamp hours battery. Down here, we still got a headphone jack, microphone, speaker, and the micro USB port. This is meh. Okay, this was around the device. Let's check out what's in the box. The device itself will come with a starter guide and a case, but no headphones. Cables, charger are in white, USB to micro USB, and USB Huawei charger with 5 volt 2 ampere, so a 10 watt charger. So that's it. So what are my expectations here? Of course, this will be as your other X devices, especially for the price, even if you get special conditions when the device will come out. This will be a good entry level, below mid-range starting device. Yes, definitely. But In here is the Kirin 710, even with 4 GB of RAM. This device will be performance-wise on the level as those two, or as all the Kirin 659 devices. This will not be a big step. I also think we won't see a big step on camera quality. Maybe a little bit, but I don't think so. Maybe on the front side even more. And yes, this device got NFC, so you can use it for Google Pay, which is a big thumb up. But as I told you at the beginning of this video, please check the prices. With the Honor Play, you will get different, you will get way more performance. And with the Honor 10, you will get way more performance and way better camera pictures than on the Honor 8X, which does not mean that this is not a good device. No, I'm pretty sure this will be a great device again, as always, since the 5X, 5X, 7X, 6X, 7X. So we got 3 fantastic X devices by Honor in the last couple of years. This will be, I think, no different. But if you got a 7X or even an 6X, I wouldn't switch. I don't think that the step will be that big, but we will figure this one out. Of course, you got this now big 6.5 inch screen here with a notch. We have to check out battery life, performance and cameras and all the other stuff, of course, and even fingerprint sensors on the back side located. This is nice again, but this is it for now. First impression, of course, big, nice device. And I've told you everything I know. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.